How about you? How have you been?
Yeah, I've been doing great, thank you. So, how was your day
Okay.
today?
It was wonderful, yet exhausted because I'm preparing for farewell, which is on the next door, so quite exhausted day.
Oh, okay. Okay, so before that, can you give me a short introduction so that I can know you?
Yeah, sure. I'm Ayushi. I come from UP State, and right now I'm in 11th grade. I'm about to go in 12th grade very soon. And if I talk about my family, so we are four members. My mama is my single parent, and we are three sisters, and I'm the youngest one among all of us.
Okay. So, what is your stream in 11th?
It's PCM.
PCM. Okay, and what's your next plan after 12th?
Uh, I'm quite confused what should I do in my future, but now I have thought of becoming a software developer.
Oh, great. So, you are talking with software developer.
Okay, that's great. So yeah, would you mind telling about yourself a bit?
Yeah. Okay. So my name is Tanuja, and I'm from Bhopal city. And about my education, I have done engineering in IT stream, and currently I'm
Okay.
a working professional in one of the software company. And it's been more than 5 years that I'm working in this industry. And along with that, I'm running my YouTube also for past 2.5 years. And my hobbies, I
Okay.
love to do drawing, dancing, and traveling. That's all about me.
Okay. Wow, wonderful to know about you. So should we talk on some topic, some specific topic?
If you have, so you can put bring up. Otherwise, we can do normal conversation.
We can talk on the topics like should we go or live in abroad or not? Like pros and cons of living in abroad.
Okay, okay. It's a great topic that we can discuss. Okay,
Yeah.
so first, okay,
Yeah.
do
Go.
you have any question?
No. No.
So
No.
you can.
Go ahead.
Okay, so first, I want to know about your opinion. Like, what do you think that now you are a student, and most of the people, like, if I'll talk about students, so they want to prefer to do their higher education from abroad, and they want to, sometimes they want to shift there also. So,
Yeah.
what's your
Exactly.
opinion? Whether they should go or not?
Well, there is a big currency difference between both of us, both our countries. So if they go to earn money, so that's perfect to go. And for education also, because Canada is wonderful for educational purpose. It's called very educated country, and so yeah, that's perfect to go in abroad. I guess. What do you say about it?
I would say that like it depends. Because we are living in India, and most of the people are not that much of what can I say, affluent family, and also
Yeah.
they are not well educated. Most of the families are not well educated. Like, what should I do next? Because if I'll talk about a student, so they always get confused in what field they should choose, like that. And if you are from a good family, and if you have like wealthy family, so that it is
Yeah.
good for you that you can go. Otherwise, for the middle class family, they think a lot, like, yes, they should do something. And whether even they are well, like, they have the good mindset and they are good at studies also, but because of lack of resources, they are not able to do.
Yeah, exactly. Like economical conditions also matter. Like if you are from rich family, so you can go without any hesitation. Like you can crack IELTS exam and go because the traveling cost also takes so much. And education is a first priority. Like you should be good at English so that you can communicate to those strangers with whom you are going to live. So yeah, English is something important there. Like it plays a pivotal role there. And sometimes like if you are not good at English or you are not able to communicate with them, so they will not understand you, or they can cheat also. Like they can cheat also. And yeah.
Yeah, it generally happens if they will also come to our country. So if they when they have the language barrier, so they will get cheated, even from the Indians also. So
Yeah,
same thing
exactly.
happens with us also when we go to any abroad country, and when there is a language barrier, so definitely you will suffer a lot. So now people are already aware that whatever things you are gonna do in your life, in your career, so English is mandatory. So now they are focusing on learning these things
Yeah.
in advance also.
Yeah. There are some color discriminations also there. Like if you are a dark skin colored person. So yeah, these things also happen.
Yes, yes, you are right. Okay, so I want to mention one thing. Like, if I'll talk about the professional one who want to, do job there. So
Mhm.
what happens? I have seen or heard from many people. They go to abroad, but they leave for some years only, and they get experience, and after that they come back to our own country.
Mhm.
So what could be the reason according to you?
uh, like when you go to those countries like Saudi Arabia, so they like maybe I don't have much experience about it, neither I have heard from anyone. So like
Mhm.
they make you sign, like they force you to sign on some papers that okay, you have to stay here for 3 years. After that, you can leave. So it's kind of a very suffocated feeling. Okay, I'll not be able to meet my family within 3 hours, 3 years. So yeah, and some other reasons are like one of those are is discrimination, and some like you will not see your family members or your native speakers around you, so you'll feel a little bit awkward, out of box. Yeah, what do you
Yeah.
think, what can be the reason?
Yeah, if first thing is that we are Indian, so we are most connected to our family members and relatives. So here,
Yeah,
especially in India, so we are more touch with that with our family members. So when we go outside, so even if you are moving to another city only, so you will feel like why I am here. I should be with my mom and dad. So we
exactly.
feel like that. So if you are going to abroad, so definitely this can be the problem. And also the food also, you are not able to adopt all such things, so it can also be the problem.
Yeah, exactly. So okay, what about your channel? Let me know how long it's been. As you told, it's been 2.5 years, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah, so mhm.
So how do
Yeah.
you manage both things, like your job and your English practice? It takes so much, I guess.
Yeah, sometimes I can say, especially if we are working in a corporate sector. So, anyhow, 8 to 9 hours you have to do your office work, and after that, also, if you have pending work, so you have to do. So, sometimes it happens, and I get exhausted also. But YouTube is my part time, you can say. When I get free time only, then I do it. So, my primary focus is my job, and after that, when I get free time, because I am working from home these days, so I get free time because I can save my traveling time, and I'm at my home. So that is the benefit for me. So that's why I'm able to manage, I guess.
Okay. Yeah, I also go school on my on daily basis, and I also recently created a YouTube channel just to post. I never thought that I'll get a good response. I got 45 subscribers. So with two videos of conversation. So it was quite quite surprising for me. So I thought, okay, let's post some more videos, and so yeah, but but now when I came in making thumbnail and posting and editing all those stuff, so it kind of exhausted for me. It kind of like quite tough patch for me to handle.
Yeah, we can say that it's tough as well as it is time consuming. And
Yeah,
you are a
exactly.
student, so I can understand that your time is valuable and you have to study your other things also, like your
Yeah,
subjective things also. So now you are in 11th standard, after that you have to go to your board exam. So it would be a lot for you to manage both the things. But I think you are
exactly.
speaking so well, and I have seen that most of the people these days are creating the channel and doing conversational videos. So you won't believe, when I had started my channel, so that time I give for only 100 subscriber, I suffered a lot. I can say that I was
Yeah,
waiting for that moment only, that when it will complete 100 subscribers only. So
that
that was
happens.
really tough for me that time. But nowadays also I am getting good response, that's why I'm consistent. Otherwise, in the meantime, I had left the thought that why I'm continuing these things and putting my all efforts and energy and time, everything. But this
Exactly.
is little bit okay, so I'm able to manage.
Yeah, there are a lot of inspiration for us. Like so many of YouTubers, they posted conversational videos, and they got really good response, like 1 million and so on. So yeah, this inspires us. Okay, we also have to do this.
Yes, yes, there are so many, so many. And when I had started, so that time there were very few people only that
Okay.
they are now in the good position now. So they had started that time, and their communication is so well. So that's why. But when I had started, so that time I was a like beginner, you can say. So now I am here that I am able to speak with you. Otherwise, I had too much agitation and I was not able to speak properly, to be honest.
Okay.
Okay, so how's your 11th exam is coming up or it already done?
Yeah, it's about to end. My 12th grade is going to be, like, I'm about to go in 12th grade very soon.
Oh, okay, so 11th exam is over?
No, exams will start from 25th February, and
February. Okay.
farewells are quite close. So we are organizing something. So yeah, it's quite interesting thing to work on farewell. To think, okay, this is going to be our last farewell, which we'll organize. So we are like doing decorations thing and making cards for seniors. So
Yes, yes, it is really quite interesting, and especially when I was in 12th standard, so that time it was like mixed feeling. Like we are getting farewell, so we were excited and also we were
yeah,
sad also. After that, we are losing our friends, and we will not be able to come to our school. So like this, it is a
exactly.
kind of mixed feeling, we can say.
Kind of mixed feelings, right?
So do you have any
So
theme?
for farewell,
Yes.
no, our school doesn't like allow us to give themes. But we had many options like Bollywood theme or black sari theme. But they said that no one will follow this and you'll be disappointed. So I thought, okay,
Okay, so they are quite disciplined.
yeah. And I'm going to do anchoring in farewell, so
Okay.
in English. So that that is gonna be very tough deal for me.
Oh, but it is a great chance for you to, in speak in front of people.
Yeah,
Have you?
exactly.
And I think you have done before also.
No, no, no.
No?
I can talk in a fluently, like in fluent way on conversation of on video call and audio call. But if I say truly, I am a very coward person. I have a stage fear, so I normally don't enroll myself in these things. But now I thought, okay, I should open up myself and perform on stage.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity for you to be honest, because whenever we are getting this kind of chance, so we should open up. In my case, whenever I had this kind of like event or anything, so I was like, no, I don't have to do it because I had that much of fear inside me. Like I never did any stage anchoring or any news thing, and now I regret for myself like why I didn't do that time. Because of that we can reduce our fear.
Okay. So how many places have you visited? Any popular one?
Yeah, I have visited many places because I love traveling, but nowadays I am not getting time to travel a lot. But I have visited like Mumbai, Bangalore,
Oh wow.
uh, and yeah, MP, UP, Rajasthan. Yeah, these are the places.
You have almost seen my dream places like Rajasthan, Mumbai. I I only visited one place, which is Ayodhya. Recently, I went there on 21st January with my
Okay.
family. So it was great moment. Although I hated the crowd and the sound pollution and all, but it was good to see Ram Mandir and travel there.
Yeah, I think it's a great experience when we visit any places. It's not only that just we have to visit and see the places. We get lot of new things to learn and about their culture and everything. Whenever I go to any places, so that time I feel energetic and happiness also. And what happens when you are doing your regular task and the same thing is happening in your life. So you
Yeah,
should
we
try
get
to go outside.
yeah exactly.
Yeah, then you feel refreshed and then you come back to your work and study. That.
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
so should we wrap out the session for today? What
Yeah.
do you say?
And okay, we
Okay, bye
can.
bye. It
Bye
was
bye. Thank
great
you so much.
talking with you. Yeah, a wonderful conversation of today, I guess.
Yeah, and likewise. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.